Hello guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in mining. Today's I'm going to show you that how can you execute or how can you mine your mixed graphic card in a single worker with using a single flight sheet. So why I'm saying mixed graphic card? That means I'm talking about the Nvidia and AMD graphic card. Let's suppose you have two Nvidia graphic card and you have two AMD graphic card. So how can you mine at the same time with a single flight sheet and also with a different pools and different miner? So as you can see, this is the HiveOS. I'm talking about the HiveOS. So you have to create your account before creating the form, before creating the worker, before creating the flight sheet. Okay, I have already created the account. So as you can see, so this is my account, flight sheet. So now if you click on the flight sheet, you have to create the flight sheet. I'm saying I'm going to create a flight sheet. So this is the flight sheet I'm going to create. First of all, you have to select the coin which you are going to mine. I'm going to mining the Ethereum. Then you have to select your Ethereum address. So I'm saying this is the Ethereum and you have to select your pool. So I'm saying I'm going to use the Ethermine as a pool. So I'm saying I'm using the SSL Asia. So select your region. I'm from Asia, so that's why I'm using the Asia. Open, and now I'm saying this is the Ethermine. Fine. But if I click on the setup, I'm going to disable the Nvidia. Just I'm going to mine the AMD cards for this one. Okay, you have to select your cards. Fine. So I'm saying, so as you can see, this is the OpenGL. So I'm saying OpenGL 0 and card number 2. Okay, I'm not going to mine card number 1 with the fine. I'm saying create flight sheet. So I have just created a flight sheet here. So as you can see, this is the flight sheet. So go to the cards. As you can see, these are the cards. Okay, here as you can see, these are the cards 0, 1, 2. The one is RTX 3060, so that's why. Now I'm saying worker. So this is my worker and flight sheet. I'm saying go, apply. So we are using 0 and 2 for. Okay, wait for a few seconds. It's updating the configuration file. I'm saying miner. So it's saying no connections. Okay, fine. Now I'm okay. Okay, now I'm going to edit the sheet. I'm saying just use the Asia and Europe. And now for the config file, I'm saying these are the two devices. Here for LOL miner, I'm saying only use the Nvidia cards. So update, allow worker. So change the config settings. Okay, now I think it's changing the config file. Config file changed. Once again. So this is the miner, control AA. Okay, now as you can see, the mining is now started. The Nvidia RTX 3060 giving us 37 mega hash. So as you can see, 28 mega hash for the Nvidia card, control AA. So AMD cards are not working. I don't know why these cards are not working. Now I'm going to change the settings. I'm saying Ethermine. Okay, if I say changing it's fine. Okay, now let's select the change. Let's select the change. I'm changing the pole, apply, and now I'm saying the minor is let's suppose team red minor. Change the config file. I'm saying just use the 0 and 2 device, apply, allow worker, change the config settings. If I say minor, so now as you can see it's changing the pole. Control AA. So this is the settings for AMD cards. It's now mining 28 megahash. So Radeon 470. So these are the 470 cards, 31 megahash. Wait for a few seconds. 37 megahash. So 37 megahash. Okay, this is the Nvidia card. Okay, now here is the RX 470 cards. So we are now mining with RX 470. So you can see LOL miner. Okay, this is a team red miner. So this is the GPU 0, 30 megahash. And now it's mining, as you can see. Fine. So in this way you can create the flight sheet, and you can also add your wallet. So control AA. So now this is the Nvidia card. So 37 megahash Nvidia card giving us RTX 3060. Control AA. So here as you can see this is the 30 and 21 megahash. So these are the two RX 470 RX 590 cards we are using from the AMD. Okay, now so I hope guys you are enjoying these series or these videos. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. Thank you for watching.